computer screen and you don't see.
This one is just under 12 hours.
I mean, it's just, you know, that's just how it came off the printer, so.
Took it off the printer and put it together.
Yep.
That's cool.
It's actually not bad. Yeah, it's.
You think what it would cost you to cast this?
I'm real happy with my printer.
That's not bad at all.
It's a good machine.
That's cool.
So is this a blown up version of what is in the Bear, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty specialized. Because they have
Here's the Bear, and then the skin around it, and since it was a made in occupied Japan toy, they had to use whatever metal was handy. So in this case, it's actually an old 1940s Budweiser can.
Wow.
So that's, you know, it has the little legs and the little sort of potato-shaped head, which is what I was trying for modeling this. Now this kind of looks like a weasel or something, but if it were poofed out, it would actually look more bear-like.
Right.
And what are you gonna do?
So then you made a 3D printed version of that whole toy.
And one of the things that I didn't do was try to optimize it. I just wanted to take the innards of it and scale it up, because quite frankly at first I wasn't sure what all of the extra stuff did.
Right.
But over the course of making it, now I know exactly what it does and why. And of course why it's also not necessary. But
so do you wind it up, or is that how it works, or?
I looked into it, and to get a spring powerful enough to drive this would also make it too dangerous to display.
Oh.
In case something broke.
Right.